Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. I'm here with my sisters.
Hi.
My sister.
Fix it.
My sister.
Jen.
And my sister, Kate. And they're 10 years apart, so we're doing a 20 questions video, and we're also doing a mukbang with afritada made by my ate. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so some of these questions are what I made up, and some of them are what you, the people, want to know about my sisters. Thank you, the two people that one of them was Aiden. No, just kidding. He was like, what do you want to ask them? I'll just put it. First question. Do you miss high school? It's been years. It's been years.
It's been a while. I feel like everyone always wishes they would go back and do it again. But because because you look back and you're like, oh, okay, I could have done that differently.
Mm-hmm.
Or yeah, you know, I could have worked harder at something else. But
yeah, did you have a good experience?
I chose friends over school a lot, and look where that got me.
And now we're your friends.
And now I'm the friend.
Kate,
do I miss high school?
yeah, it was like yesterday.
I mean, it's been a year since I graduated. Honestly, I actually do miss high school because that means I made a lot of friends for like the past 4 years, and thinking about it now, they all moved on. Like one of them lives so far away, and I haven't spoken to her in months. So
Who?
and it's not just my friends because of that. It's like the work, because I really slacked with my schooling, and if I could take it back, I would.
Mm-hmm.
Just so that I can just boost my grades.
Yeah.
I feel like they're gonna be like, what about you? What about your answers?
All right, well. Okay, second question. Who was your first kiss?
I was in grade 3. Start young, you know? So I was in grade 3, and then I was like friends with these girls that were always like, so this week, these guys are going to be our boyfriends. So we would go play with them, and then we all had to kiss them. And then I kissed him, and his name was Michael. I don't remember his last name. I hope he's still kissable.
That's a T. That's the T. Shout out, Michael.
Wherever you are, I hope you remember that kiss.
He has like a shrine of you.
Yeah. He still thinks about it to this day.
He's like, what? It was like,
maybe it was his only kiss.
It was my childhood friend, and I've known him since we were like toddlers, really. I think it was grade 2.
Whatever happened to first kiss when they were so young.
But yeah.
Can you say his name?
Oh my god, Roberto.
We knew that. Okay.
Y'all been new.
This is a question from one of my coworkers. She's wondering, what's your favorite personality from each other?
What you mean?
Jill! Jill's behind the camera, by the way. She's letting us know if it's focused or not.
Sorry.
What's the question again? Oh yeah.
Yeah, what was the
favorite personality from each other? I like when Ate is... I like when both of you are like in your funny modes. I think that's the answer.
I'm not even funny, I'm just annoying.
What's the best thing about having sisters?
Well, I've always wanted a brother.
Oh my god! I know, it's not like we like
I don't know
let each other borrow clothes or whatever.
I never let them borrow my clothes. I just always noticed that my clothes were gone. And Or
It was
she
mom.
would come home wearing the clothes.
Yeah. Should this one on me?
There's always something that you get that all three of us can relate to.
True.
Mm-hmm.
It's true.
We always have something to talk about.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We're always there for each other.
Oh.
Period.
Don't make me cry.
Why were you late today? I'm just kidding.
Buzz. Like,
You guys were literally like 20 minutes after you came. Like, she was so dramatic. Like, don't be here so late. You guys leave after 20 minutes. Like, just watch the things.
Okay.
Like the crying Joe Jonas.
What's something that Ate like got in trouble for when she was younger, but like you can do easily, and mom and dad are like, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't know. Because I feel like they would just find out easily. And they would just be mad at us, like, no matter what.
Well, I feel like you can. Whenever you ask to go out, their mom and dad are like, okay. Like
They don't let me sleep over.
But like me and you, like we they would like make us like do like all like jump through hoops if we can go to the mall.
Yeah. Yeah, she would always make us clean or something.
Yeah. So go out.
But you
You don't even know the struggle.
I know, I didn't even realize the privilege.
Yeah. Describe Avery in 3 words.
Handsome. I think he's not handsome.
Oh.
Kind. Am I picking? Wait,
Yeah.
I'm picking 3 words.
Yeah.
Or okay. And can eat a lot more than me, and that's a lot.
Yeah. Oh my God. You can eat so much.
Artsy.
Did Abe
She
submit this
artsy.
question, by the way? Who submitted this question?
I saw him. I was gonna say artsy, quiet, and really nice.
Oh.
That's
4 words.
I know.
No.
Really good. Okay. What is something that you got from mom?
I think about it every day.
I know, right?
I think I'm very like OCD with things at home.
Mm-hmm.
Like they have to be done, or else if
Certain
they're not
way.
done, I'm gonna get mad.
Yeah. You guys get pissed about that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Because like mom like conditioned us to like
Well, wait. I never thought I would be like that until I moved into my own place, and like then you start realizing like you like put money into certain things, so you want to like take care of it. And if someone's just like being careless, then you like notice.
yeah. Only mom. Why is there a fork in the sink? Why did God give me these children?
We sing almost every day.
Oh yeah, I would say you got your voice from mom.
Dad can sing too, though.
True.
He's a better singer, mom or dad.
Mom.
Yeah. Oh my
I think dad is a bit better singer than mom.
No, just I have to
Well,
think.
dad's
about
a
it.
musician.
Dad's a
Mom's a
pretty good
singer.
singer.
Yeah. He is. I think he's just like a better musician of it.
I ran out of chicken.
Oh my god, you feel so fast.
I'm so hungry.
We'll get some more.
Name a time you experienced secondhand embarrassment from one another.
Not every day.
Right now.
Right now.
I feel like you guys feel that with me, but I don't feel it.
No, I don't think I ever feel embarrassed. I feel nothing.
True.
Yeah, same.
Oh my gosh.
No second embarrassment. Only for
Yeah.
mom.
Yeah, that's true.
Mostly, yeah.
It's mostly mom. Do you ever tell anyone about Mary Jane? Or do you like, are you like choosy about who you tell it to? Or
It really depends if they ask me, because my name is Mary Kate, and they say, "Oh, where's Ashley? Where's your twin?" I'm like, how should I answer to that? If it's
Yeah.
so personal, you know? Like,
yeah. I feel like I don't really tell people unless they ask me about like my tat. And I tell them.
It gets brought up if they see my tattoo. I have a tattoo here that says Mary Jane. And everyone's like,
weed.
ooh, and I'm like, I would never.
Yeah. Oh
And
my
then,
god.
yeah. So then I have to explain it, and it's like,
Yeah.
now I like regret putting it somewhere where people can see it because
Yeah.
now I get asked about it, and I have to be like,
Do you ever like not tell someone and just make up an excuse?
yeah. I'll be like, yeah, it's because of that. Because I love weed. Like,
Yeah, I put weed on my
yeah.
ear.
I just let them think
Sorry.
what they think.
Yeah. I feel like at work, it's like a lot of like customers are like, "What's your tap?" or, and then I'm just like, "Just dates." But then like if I'm in the mood, because I feel bad for their reaction too, because
They're not expecting it.
yeah, they're not expecting it. They're just like, "I'm sorry."
It's not a common name. Like they refer to it. Like there's a few meanings to the name.
Yeah,
So
yeah. Describe mom in 3 words. Loud.
loud is one.
Yeah. Dramatic.
Dramatic. Oh my god. It's the middle of my word.
Psychotic.
This is like the
Mom's
perfect.
gonna watch it. She's gonna be so never seen.
Yeah.
What's the favorite house that we lived in? I like 475.
475.
You were like a baby. Like
I know,
literally,
but-
you're a baby.
Yeah, but I liked it there. I liked it there.
Because I looked even Joe's like,
Mom.
oh my god.
What do you think I was gonna say? Boost beer?
Oh god. For the rats.
I don't know if I liked any of them. I
Yeah,
always hated
that's
every
true.
house. I was
That's
like,
true.
this is our house. No offense.
No offense.
But when we moved into I really thought that we were moving into the houses.
Mm-hmm.
One beside us. I'm like, yo, this is so cool. But then Dad turned
Left.
wait.
Oh my god. That's hilarious.
It is a laugh. That's why it's.
It's true. It's like nice houses. What's your favorite thing to do together?
Would it be?
Yeah.
Drink ice caps.
Yeah.
Go to the beach, drink ice caps, and go to your house.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I love watching scary movies with you guys because like you literally scream all the time. And you guys are always down to like watch
Yeah, we all
any
know, like,
scary
scary
movie. Yeah. Some people like when people tell me like they're not close with their siblings, I'm like, why? It kind of sucks because like us, we can like go out and hang out and like go to the mall or just hang out. But I feel bad for people that like can't chill with their siblings because they're so different.
Mm-hmm.
Who do you think is the funniest out of us 3?
All of us. I don't know.
Oh, you're pulling a Victoria
I know.
Justice. You're pulling a Victoria Justice.
We're waiting.
Huh?
Who's the funniest?
I said all of us.
No, you don't choose one.
You want to choose one? I don't
Yeah.
know.
You choose yourself.
Do you think you're funnier than me? Or funnier than
No,
Trey?
you're funnier than me because I can't think of anything to make you guys laugh. I don't know.
Who's funnier, me or Afton?
Oh my god.
You. Me?
Yeah.
Oh, shocked.
I think, yeah, like you're more willing to be more embarrassing than I
True.
am. That's why you're fun. You're like
True.
that much funnier. This
You guys don't think you guys
but you guys are all the same. We're all.
this emoji.
You guys are like silly.
Look at Gen Z memes. You guys wouldn't like. You'd be like, what the heck?
Which means?
What?
You know, I'm Gen Z, and there's like different.
Oh,
memes.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
would, like you guys wouldn't.
I know you just have to explain
Yeah.
things to
Yeah.
me.
Like TikTok. It's like funny, but I'm like, it's so
I have
wild.
no idea what it is.
Which sister is easiest to live with?
Look at me.
I'm gonna say Kate because she doesn't. Actually, you don't really clean, so like.
I was gonna say Kate
Because she just doesn't do anything.
she doesn't do anything.
Yeah, she just chills in her room.
She just yeah.
She's not really high maintenance.
Well, you're
like,
very
she can make a mess.
organized. This is very like minimalist. This house gives me minimalist vibes. It's very laid
Minimalist
back.
vibes.
and stuff.
Oh.
Kate doesn't do anything, and
Mhm.
when I was living with you, you didn't do anything. So I don't have anything to compare.
Who do you think is gonna take care of mom and dad when they're older?
Oh god, they're gonna ask me to do it.
I think always
think-
the boy Salt says it.
Mom's telling me that when I get older and you have a husband and you have so much money, you're gonna take care of me, give me money. I'm gonna move back home and you send me money, okay? I'm like, okay.
We'll see.
Well, we'll get back to you.
We'll go back to you, Mom.
Who do you think is the most annoying sister?
You.
I think you. Me.
Annoying.
Can you tell the story of when you first smoked weed?
Oh my god, I love this story. I was in grade 9. And I think I was in grade 9. Yeah, no, I was pretty sure I was grade 9. And we were all at my friend's house, and there was like 40 of us in one house. And we had this one friend that was like already like, everybody knows someone that deals in high school, so he came to the house, and he was like, "Do you guys want to try smoking this?" And then for the first time, my first time I got high was like, I didn't even just get like regular high, like from a bong or from like a spliff. It was through through a water bong that we found on the floor. It was like a water bottle. It was like a water bottle, and they had tinfoil on them, so they made like this like bong.
Oh my god.
And we just did it, and then like they taught us how to do whatever, and then I just remember like being like actually feeling like I was flying. And I was like walking down the path. It was like midnight or whatever, yeah. And I was like, I literally felt like I was like floating away.
How about you, Kate?
Is that allowed though? Like on video?
Yeah, we're not smoking. We're just talking.
No, I mean like the legal age.
Oh.
Yeah.
You never smoked before. What are you talking about?
Same.
Half the story.
I mean,
It's
yeah.
maybe the same. Have we ever snitched on each other?
Yes.
Who? When?
You every day.
When?
When we were kids, I used to always sneak out to go see my friends or my boyfriend at the time.
Oh
And this fucking girl at the time, because she wanted to come, and I would be like, "No, you can't come. I'm gonna go see a boy, obviously." And she's like, she would tell my mom, and then I have to force take her on her slow bike.
yeah. Remember, you went to Fleetwood, and that was like, Mom and Dad were like, "You can't go to Fleetwood." And then
Yeah.
I came home, Mom, Ate went to Fleetwood.
With you.
Yeah.
And then we always wrestled, but like, I really like wrestling. Even if
Yeah,
it
I know.
actually
We
hurt
would
you.
do like real moves. We did like Wall of Jericho.
Yeah, and I
Choke
was-
slams. I don't remember any of this. Is it 475 your favorite house? I know. Kate, have you ever snitched on us?
No,
No.
not on me, at least.
No.
Because if you did.
What's the dumbest fight you think we had?
We've never fight.
That's like the.
Yeah. We
That's
only
what
fight
you
with
had?
Mom. We literally only fight with Mom. And Mom is like the one that's like starting the beef.
I've never fought with Kate, I don't think.
Yeah.
Want
Yeah, yells at her.
Wanna fight?
Y'all want to fight? What's
I
up?
want to smoke still.
Fight club.
Well, that's so what?
Okay. And that was our video. Thanks to my sissies for being in it. My first video. Like it because they answered all the questions. No, they didn't. Some of them were like, I don't find you annoying.
I don't know.